How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I am taking for you new topic. Topic name is Western Union as a money transfer. I will show you review about this application is transfer money through application but face lot of issues for making changes to the transfer. They do not accept any changes in the transaction through application and have to make call through registered mobile number which is being charged being charged and they do not answer for a long time. Overall, very bad experience for the sheet transfer. Not recommended at all. If there was option for 0 stars, I would have given it that. It worked, but since a month I cannot log in as the app has stopped sending the SMS OTPs. Customer service keeps asking me to fill in some table and nothing get resolved. Clicking in the app on recent code option show error update. I wrote to the provided email 5 days and still no reply. I still cannot log into the account because I do not receive the code via email or SMS update. Mid March OTP still does not send SMS, so I still cannot log in. Lot of error while on first screen of send money to a heavy app is size. Register OTP via email is incense when already entered mobile number also, but email OTP expired so quickly 10 seconds or so, and after expire OTP also accepted. Very funny and instantly right now. I will show you about this application is money transfer around the world from Saudi Arabia. Send money globally with WU easy and convenient. The Western Union mobile app is the solution for sending money on the go from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. With the Western Union mobile app, you can always help your loved one by transferring money straight to bank account or in cash. All you need to do is create an online profile, show your ID in person, and you are set. Please note that if you are an exciting Excel customer, you are not required to visit Excel location for verification. Would you like to make international money transfer with more than 1200 countries and territories, one and 5 to 5000 agent locations, one around the global? The Western Union mobile app allows you to send money almost everywhere in the world. How can I pay for my money transfer to fund an online transfer on the Western Union mobile app in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia? You need you need a debit card, Mastercard, or Visa. Please note that debit card should be issued in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Would you like to see the full estimate before you commit to a money transfer? See the transfer fees and exchange rates upfront so that you know exactly how much you need to fund you. Transfer exchange rates and fees are constantly updated so that your money goes for the check current fees and exchange rates and estimate the amount to be received by your receipt. Do you make frequent money transfer, access your transfer history, and send money to the same person again without having to enter their detail? Use recent functionality or simply choose them from your contact list. Also save detail of your recipients for easier reference. Did you know that you can earn MyWU points? Sign up for MyWU with an agent and link your MyWU number to your profile to earn points every time you complete a money transfer with us. You can also sign up for MyWU. You can see about all things in this application is version updated on download the size offered by everything there is mentioned. If you want to install this application, just press install button and your application will be installed. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button. I will come to take another application platform. Take care. Bye bye.